In this video, I will show you exactly what Manta Ray Island in Fiji looks like. I will also show you the manta rays, scenic views, adventures, food, and Fiji traditions. We are now leaving Octopus Island.
Okay, we are on the boat.
A smaller boat takes you out to a big boat that brings you to your next island. The Yasawa Islands are a group of islands located northwest on the mainland of Fiji. Manta Ray Island is a few kilometers long. Upon arrival to the island, another smaller boat will take you all the way into the resort. The landscape looks amazing, and there are many other surrounding islands in the area around Manta Ray Island. The resort has a dive shop, a bar, and different activities you can do.
There are better ones to be.
The weather changes quickly between sunshine and
Sitting
rain.
here at Manta Ray Island, and it's time to have a Manta Ray burger. They say that after rain comes sunshine, and that is really true for Fiji.
There are a couple of different beaches on the island, a lot of palm trees, and also some dry areas.
Hello, the sun is out, and we are about to go snorkeling.
The sun came out again, and we were going to try out a couple of different snorkel gear from my website, vacationwilliam.com. The snorkeling at Manta Ray Island is really incredible, and if you're lucky, you get to see the manta rays. The resort was nice, but even though we paid $200 per person, we got a 32-bedroom door. Now we had to pay another $100 to get the small single room.
Actually, we did get an upgrade because the room was not good enough. Just got here, and it looks pretty nice. The balcony. We are going hiking. We just made it to a small little village here. Alright, we found a little beach here. We're about to check it out.
The nature was great on this island, and we started exploring more and more.
We found the trail. We are almost all the way up to the top, and it only takes about 10 minutes to walk up here. You have an amazing view.
There are 330 different islands in Fiji, and there's so much to see. We continued our hike up to the top to see more places, and around the island there are many different reefs.
Look at this view here, how amazing is that? We just saw some amazing parts of this island, and now we are hiking back down from the other side. Okay, we are lost now. Can't really find our way back. So now we are taking the same way back as we came.
The evening was approaching quickly, and we came back down to the resort.
The weather here in Fiji is a little bit strange. As you can see, the sky is blue again. It's been raining, then it's been sunny, and then it's been raining, and now it's sunny again.
Now it was time to climb up in a coconut tree and try to get a coconut.
Just got the coconut from the tree.
At Manta Ray Island you will get a buffet for dinner and you can eat as much as you want. After dinner it was time to do the bula dance. Every evening there's a music show and you can dance and sing with the local people. You will have a great time out in the Yasawa Islands in Fiji, but be prepared to pay between 200 and 300 Fiji dollars per day. Please leave me a comment and tell me what you think about this episode. Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.